Hi guys, welcome to my channel Chalte Chalte. So today I'm not going to post any video regarding travel and living and stuff. Let me give you a quick intro about myself. It's for those people who still don't know me. I'm basically a full-time teacher and I teach in a school in Kolkata, and I'm very much into travel blogging, and I have started my travel vlogs very recently, that is from the month of April 2021.
And I'm into skincare blogging since last year.
So all this started last year in the month of May, that is 2020, and this year I'm starting with my travel vlogs, and I have already started. I can't say I'm starting this, I've already started. I have posted 2 videos, one on Kalimpong and the other on Suluk, that is North Bengal and Sikkim area. But that's not why I'm here today. Today I'm here to discuss, or rather tell you something very important. I think this is the need of the hour, and it's never enough to talk about taking proper precautions during this pandemic. It's never enough. We can always keep talking about taking precautions. It's very important right now, and as we all know, precaution is way better than cure, right? So today I'm just going to tell you about the things that you should do to keep yourself fit and healthy. So I'm not going to talk about the don'ts. I'm only going to talk about the do's that you should do during this time. This time is pathetic. Whatever is happening in India, whatever is going on everywhere in my state. I live in Kolkata, I live in West Bengal, and things are not fine here. People are not fine. People are suffering on a daily basis, and I think this is the right time to talk about taking precautions and taking care of your health. So without further dilly-dally, let me just start with what I want to say. Rather, what I would advise you to do, that is, first and foremost, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. This is the key to almost everything. Have lots and lots of water throughout the day, as much as possible. This is the first step, right? Stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. The second step is to take your
Vitamins.
on a daily basis, right? Vitamin C, all kinds of vitamins. Multivitamins is the key. So take your
Vitamins.
properly. This is very important. This is for your immunity. Your immunity should be like this, thumbs up to your immunity. So for your immunity, you must take in
Multivitamins.
not only through your diet naturally, but also through supplements. Very important. Third step, this should always be there in your pocket whenever you are going out, in your hands. Keep your mobiles inside your bags. That's not important. This is more important. This should be in your hand, not your cell phones, right? So the third step and the most important step is to sanitize your hands frequently, every now and then. Just keep sanitizing. That's the key, right? And another most important thing, before eating something, before eating your tiffin or before eating outside, sanitizers won't help. It's not enough. I personally feel it's not enough. Use soap or hand wash to wash your hands, right? Use soap or hand wash to wash your hands. That's the safest way. Sanitizers won't help before eating something. I don't feel clean enough. So, and yeah, that's the third step. Fourth important step, the most important step. I don't have 2 masks around me right now, but I have one of them. So this, yes. So mask up, India. Put your masks on. Even if you feel hot or you're out of your breath, you're panting for breath, you're having shortness of breath, please stay put. Hold on. Don't open this. Don't open this at any cost. Whenever you're outside, right? Don't open this at any cost. Okay? This is the main thing. This is going to protect you from everything. And not only your mask, you should preferably wear spectacles as well. A reading glass, a false reading glass will also help when you are outside, or wear a sunglass, because you are supposed to protect not only your nose and mouth but also your eyes, right? Your eyes, nose and mouth. all the three things should be protected. That's the most important part of this entire video. I think your face should be covered. Another very important thing is to take vapor or steam regularly, at least once a day, right? Take vapor or steam regularly at least once a day. See, whatever I told you today, all the steps, irrespective of everything, you should do this. It doesn't matter whether you are COVID positive or not. It doesn't matter if you are healthy or not. It doesn't matter if you are vaccinated or not. You are supposed to follow all the steps thoroughly on a daily basis, right? Please don't think that since I was not affected with COVID last year, this year too it's okay, this shall pass, this too shall pass, it's fine, I'll not be affected, I will not be affected by COVID. Don't think that, please don't. Because guys, COVID is not sparing anyone this year. So you can't give this thing, you can't take it lightly, you can't afford to take COVID lightly, right? You cannot afford to do that. Another very important thing, do exercises regularly for 30 to 45 minutes minimum, maximum 1 hour daily. Do exercises daily and just expose yourself to sunlight for some time, 10 minutes minimum, regularly. I think these are the very basic things that you already know, but I think it's never enough to you should keep on talking about these things. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to tell you today, and this is where I'm going to end my video, because that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you. You already know the do's and don'ts and the simple things, the basic things that I've told you today. You already know everything, but it's never enough to talk about them. It's never enough. We can keep on blabbering about these things every day and with everyone, so that people hear and do those things in reality and keep themselves safe. Thank you so much, all of you, for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for giving me love not only on Instagram but also on YouTube. I think it's a big thing for me. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. All of you, stay safe, stay at home, and don't break the lockdown rules.